Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. On today's video, we are going to be working on a couple of Americana red, white, and blue thrift flips. So let's get crafting. For project one, we're going to be creating a cute little sign for my front porch. I'm starting out with this wooden arrow. I do believe these come from Dollar Tree, but I happened to find one at the bins one day. It is very light, so it practically costs me nothing. I'm just giving it a coat of rustic red paint by Dixie Belle. I do love this red. I think it's the perfect red, white, and blue or 4th of July red. I do end up giving this 2 coats. Once the paint was dry, I created a stencil on my Cricut Maker. I just used temporary vinyl to create my stencils. I'm going to remove that sticky transfer paper and um, to paint with my stencils, I like to use the Dollar Tree cosmetic little sponges, and I am going to paint this in black. And I'm using DIY's little black dress. Okay, for the second part of the sign, I have found this little, it's a little fall sign. I found it at the bins. It's one of those that open up. It has 2 sides to it. But I'm only going to paint this side. I'm going to save the other side for something else. So I'm giving this, I ended up giving it 3 coats of the DIY's paint and vintage linen. Now, once the paint was dry, I did create a stencil for this one as well, just with some stars and the word America. I'm going in with my rustic red by Dixie Belle, and I'm doing the America in the rustic red, and I'm going to go in with Dixie Belle's Bunker Hill Blue for the stars. Now on these, I'm not doing full coverage inside the stencils. I'm going uh almost like a almost like an airbrush look to them. Once I have all my stars in America painted in, I'm gluing that arrow right onto the top of that little sign. And here's how she turned out. She's so cute. I can't wait to get her up on my porch with all my red, white, and blue decor. For project two, I have this little sifter. I don't think it is a really old one. I found it at the bins, of course. I'm going in with that Dixie Bells Bunker Hill blue, and I'm giving it two coats of paint. I'm not going to be painting the rim or the handle of this sifter. Once the paint was dry, I'm coming in with a wet cloth and doing wet de-stressing on this sifter. I'm simply just rubbing over the places that I want to look more distressed. I'm bringing back some of that metal, especially over the writing. I'm pulling off a good chunk of the paint around the rims of the sifter, and we're going to give this a really good aged look. Okay, now for the aging, we're taking DIY's dark wax, and we are also using the DIY's decrepit dust in the color dirt. And I'm simply just putting on that dark wax, putting on some of the dark and decrepit dust, and I'm just taking my cloth and I'm pouncing, rubbing, just basically blending it all in until I get that look that I am looking for. And here's how this one turned out. I tied a little, that's some fabric that I've ripped, and then I added some daisies to the inside. Y'all let me know what you think about this one. Now that's all the projects I have for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. I would appreciate it so much. It helps my channel grow. You guys come back next week and we're going to do some more thrift flips, and I'll see you next time. Bye.